Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak selling dreams and delivering BS. This is one of the most successful formula to cheat the people to get rich. And you see this in the internet, and they have done it in the past. It's always the same strategy. They present people who could not help themselves, and then they present awkward solution that never will work and making big money. And even the religion have done that. Therefore, they are selling paradise, hell, moksha, enlightenment, and all this crap just to make huge money. And this is working. I believe in God, and for me, is God the most important thing in my life. And I never got baptized, so I have to go to hell over it. You see, this is the same formula. We have all capabilities. We need just trust in God. And when I want a solution, I trust in God, that God will give me the solution. And this is for healing also too. God can heal every disease. You just have to trust God and follow God, and then your disease will be healed. So you have to do also something. No? And this all without internet. Internet is mainly for cheating. I mean the advertisement. 50% is total cheating. For instance, I had an accident, my disc was broken, a strong scoliosis, and this awful doctors, orthopedic doctors said, you have no chance, and so on, blah, blah, blah. No? I said, you are wrong. I said, you see, in 3 years, my back will be straight and better than ever before, because I knew God will help me. And I thought I need just to be relaxed to attract the right methods, and then my back will be better than before. And so it was. You see, open up your heart and the solution will come to you. It's just so simple. No? Instead to look here for in the internet or somewhere else for this fast get rich solution, or get thin, or get healed, and all these other things. You don't have to. Just enjoy your life, relax, and the things are coming to you. And then you do it, finish. Easy. And so it was since 2,000 years, 3,000 years, 5,000 years, and so it will be in 2 or 3, 4, 5,000 years. We just have to trust our heart and to follow our heart, instead of these bloodsuckers from the religion, from the doctors, from the motivational speakers. And this is working, and it will work. No? And we have much more a pleasant time, can enjoy our life, and be religious at the same time. Thank you that I could speak about that, and bye.